Alright guys, it's November 5th, about 4:15. Got the Ozonics HR300 running. Wind's about 10 miles an hour from the northwest. Got in a little late tonight. We'll see what's moving. Got the cornfield, just got picked 2 days ago. Hopefully we see some deer hitting that cornfield. That'd be nice. We'll let you know what's going on a little later. Well guys, I'm sorry I didn't do much filming tonight. It was cold and there wasn't much action. It's 6 o'clock right now. I just got back to the truck. Stayed a little later than I want because I was starting to pack up and I had a doe come in and there was a buck chasing her, so it was after shooting light, so I just kind of stayed and watched, and he chased her around for about 10 minutes, so I hung out, made sure not to spook him. So, sorry that it wasn't much action tonight, but maybe next time we'll see something. I'll see you guys later.